YouTube, Hector. So today's Friday and I made $45, right? Not a lot, but it's all relative to each individual person. When you're day trading stocks, and you'll learn that Fridays are very sketchy because it's like the right before the weekend, everything's a little messy. Things can really go south if you don't do your due diligence in the pre-market and look at the stock that you're going to trade. If they do what you want them to do, how are you going to trade them? How are you going to size into these stocks? If it goes your way, are you going to exit, right? You're not going to be greedy and keep holding, and then maybe it goes against you. These are all things that have happened to me in the past, right? Like the last thing I said, it going against me after I was already green because of my greed. And then say maybe I was up $100 on a Friday, and then I got greedy and it tanked, and then all of a sudden I'm down $50. It's very emotional. So it's very important to do your due diligence in the pre-market to be a success in that day of trading. And so you can't just go into, especially a Friday, just, I'm going to kind of wing it. I think it's probably going to go in this direction for the long term, but Friday is Friday. Like, patterns can form very nicely, and then they just don't work out because it's Friday, people are going into the weekend, like I mentioned. So I traded 3 stocks. I traded BBIG, $2, CEMI, $11, and Neuro, $32. Sized in super small on these stocks because it was Friday. Friday's not even like mentally. I've already trained myself to not really see it as I have to make a lot of money on Friday. It's how can I stay above water, right? Even if I break even, that's a successful day. So, look at BIG went for the big run. I didn't catch all of this. Obviously, I caught almost none of it since I only made $2 on it. CEMI, also, could have went for the big run, but based on how I've traded in the past on Fridays, I am scared of Fridays. So if I even do trade, it's with a very small size. Like I mentioned, I just want to stay above water. That's basically it. Short and to the simple. Go into the weekend, study the charts, what you did right, what you did wrong during the week, and then go into Monday with a fresh mindset, a clear mindset, ready to kill it and ready to stay consistent and profitable. See you later, guys.